Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free money on Cash App. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell icon next to it to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. So guys, before we go any further, I would like to emphasize on this point. Cash App is a payment service and not a money making app. So if you expect making some sort of amount of money through Cash App, then your expectations aren't going to be met. You should know that Cash App is a payment service that allows customers or users to send money to friends and family. In fact, send money to people they know and trust. It is not a money making app. However, Cash App provides a feature that lets customers or new members make money through the platform. It's not like making money a considerable amount, but it's something that you can actually consider to be worth of your time. So this feature is actually the invite friends feature. This Cash App invite friends feature actually lets you get a referral bonus for inviting a friend to the platform. So this system works in a way that you, as a referrer, if you refer someone to the platform and the person actually uses your referral code to sign up and complete a few steps, he will receive $5 in their Cash App account as a bonus, and you, the referrer, actually receives $10. So the actual referral bonus Cash App offers is $15. Yeah, this is actually crazy. Imagine you're the first person in your household to start with Cash App and you just refer your family and friends. You can imagine the considerable amount of money you will be making with this feature. So guys, that's how this invite friends feature works. There's nothing more or nothing less. Getting started with Cash App invite is very easy and straightforward. So of course, you as a referrer, you need to have a Cash App account in good standing. Yeah, your account should be verified. So however, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be doing it with an unverified Cash App account. So what you have to do is you open your Cash App to invite friends to Cash App and actually make money. You open your Cash App, which will lead you to this home screen, and from here there are two paths in going to the Cash App invite friends feature. So you can do so through the activity tab, which is just right here, or you can do so by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. So I'm just going to click on that one and go to invite friends, which is just here. So you can invite your friends to Cash App through this feature. What you do is you can give Cash App access to your contacts for them to easily find out who can potentially get to the platform. However, you also have the choice to choose who you can invite to get to the platform, so the choice is absolutely yours. So I'm just going to click on continue, and here you can enter the friend's phone number or email. Check this out. If you enter someone's phone number or email address, let's say we enter something, so we enter this email right here and just tap on send invite. You can see the invitation has been sent to the inviting. So what I'll do is I'm going to open that email. So this is how the invite email is going to look like. You see the name of the person typically wants to invite you to try Cash App. That is just actually how it is. And if you go to the email very well, you're going to see Cash App is the best way to send money, and you're going to see the referral code, which is actually what interests us. So this referral code is actually your referral code that the recipient is going to receive, and if the person you refer to the platform enters this referral code, you will be eligible for this bonus. So you can just ask the person, the referral, the invitee, to click to copy this referral code and download the Cash App mobile app from the Play Store or the iOS App Store, depending on their device. However, regardless of the way they get into Cash App, make sure they use this referral code when signing up for the platform, so you'll be able to get this bonus. So getting back to the reward status, to the Cash App invite feature, let's see what the invitee actually needs to do to get bonus, to get their bonus, and for you to be eligible for this bonus. So what they have to do is to enter the referral code when they sign up. The referral code I showed you earlier is the code they need to enter when they sign up. And secondly, they need to link a new debit card or bank account to their Cash App account. If this person is under 18 years, the person just needs to activate a Cash App card, to activate their Cash App card to be eligible. And thirdly, and most important too, is to send a qualifying amount within 14 days period after entering a referral code. So this qualifying amount is actually $5, and if you refer someone to the platform and the person does not actually send up to $5 within a 14-day period, this bonus is not going to be valid and you will lose the bonus just like that. You and the invite will lose the bonus just like that. So after entering your code and linking a debit card to their account, the invitee needs to send a maximum of $5, just $5, to someone that is not the sponsor of their account for you to be eligible for this bonus. That is just how this Cash App invite works. So guys, this is one of the best ways to make money on Cash App, if not the best. Actually, it is the best way to make money on Cash App. Forget about any money making scheme that is going to be highlighted on the internet. All those internet sources that talk on different ways to make money on Cash App, most of them, if not all, are just typically scam. This is the best way for you to make money on Cash App without, if you don't want to use the Cash App Bitcoin feature, because Bitcoin too is another way to make money through Cash App, but this method is actually the free way to make money on Cash App without having to invest anything. The only investment here is your time and the invitee. That's just all. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So guys, thank you for watching and we see you in the next video.